Ferrari unveiled the Ferrari 849 Testarossa for the first time in the US market on December 11. It will replace the SF90 Stradale and will be Ferrari's most powerful series production model. Its V8 hybrid system will produce up to 1050 horsepower. The name Testarossa holds a significant place in Ferrari's history, dating back to the 500 TR race car of 1956. It means red head in Italian and specifically refers to the red valve cover. The return of this name is a tribute to that classic design. In terms of appearance, the new car's front end is inspired by the classic geometric shape of the 1980s. A black strip running across the front and connecting the headlights on either side, large air intakes, and a front spoiler create a sharp aura. The aerodynamic silhouette of the car body is inspired by 1970s sport prototype racing cars. Airflow channels inside the doors are precisely routed to the intercooler, and side air intake trims extend to the side skirts, increasing cooling airflow by 30%. At the rear, the 512S racing-style twin-wing structure contributes 10% of downforce, while the active spoiler can change modes in 1 second and generates an additional 100 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, bringing the total downforce to 415 kilograms. The optional Assetto Fiorano package further reduces the weight of the vehicle by 30 kilograms thanks to the extensive use of materials such as carbon fiber and titanium alloys, and features a stiffer, track-focused suspension system. Inside, there are numerous physical buttons that allow drivers to use frequently used functions more intuitively and safely. The interior design, inspired by single-seater racing cars, combines a sporty atmosphere with a luxurious feel, featuring a horizontal instrument panel, aluminum-framed air vents, and high-quality seats. In terms of power, the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine has been completely redesigned. A new block, cylinder head, and the largest turbocharger in Ferrari's road car history deliver 830 horsepower and a power-to-weight ratio of 208 horsepower per liter. A plug-in hybrid system consisting of 3 electric motors provides an additional 220 horsepower, bringing the total power to over 1050 horsepower. Combined with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this results in a 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 2.3 seconds and a top speed exceeding 330 km per hour. The 7.45 kWh lithium-ion battery supports a 25 km all-electric range, while the e-Manettino control system offers 3 modes: hybrid, performance, and elimination. The RACE electronic cornering control system, consisting of dual front axle motors and the MG UK motor, identical to the F1 motor, on the rear axle, ensures seamless operation of all-wheel drive and torque vectoring, simultaneously improving cornering traction and cornering limits. The starting price for the brand's new flagship, the 849 Testarossa Coupe, is approximately €460,000, while the Spider convertible starts at around €500,000. Its direct competitors include high-end hybrid supercars such as the Lamborghini Revuelto and Aston Martin Valhalla.